Okay, what is responsive feeding? I see every mother is complaining of my child is not eating. I think no mother is satisfied. No mother will tell my child is eating properly. There are a lot of studies shows this is 26, but I am sure 90% of the mothers having problem with the children. So this is 6,399 mammals in the world. All mammals give birth, give breastfeeding, complementary feeding. Only human is having all the problem, not taking complementary. Have you ever seen any other animal in problem in breastfeeding and complementary feeding? All because of civilization. It's just this deer is something like human. Exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months, then complementary feeding. No post feeding by the mother. Enjoying life. This Frank Green, this AAP Committee on Nutrition, is a member. No big book can tell you precisely how much or how often he needs to be fed, exactly how you should handle him during the feeding. This is exactly I am telling. It's not at all possible. Follow responsive feeding, otherwise called active feeding. Definition is defined responsive. It is both for responsive breastfeeding and complementary feeding. Defines responsive feeding and complementary feeding as mother responding to her baby's cue, hunger cues. பசிச்சு எப்படி இருக்கும் பசிச்சு கொடுக்கணுங்கிறது as well as her own desire to feed her baby. Crucially, feeding responsibly recognize that feeds are not just for nutrition but also for love, comfort, and reassurance. So the mother is feeding not only food, but nutrition. Along with nutrition, is giving love, comfort. When the child you give some injection, the child is crying. It may not be hungry. If the mother gives some breast milk, the child calm down. Responsible learning the baby's cues, hunger cues, and for being full. When the child is full, you should recognize and stop feeding. Don't force. Responding appropriately these cues. That's all. So previously we were not taught about responsive feeding or active feeding. In 2014 only WHO included and the AAP, American Academy of Pediatrics also included in the counseling. So when you start by 6 months, the child should be able to sit or able to sit with support. All tongue thrust should have been disappeared. After breastfeeding, you start, not before birth. That is the guidelines. Still, the complete diet is breastfeeding. Not in front of the TV or mobile. That is most harmful thing. Up to 2 years, you should never expose children to the. என் குழந்தை வந்து மொபைல்ல பார்த்தாதான் சார் சாப்பிடும். Mother says they are addicted to that. Don't force me to eat anything. Never force feed. That is the problem I'm facing. Don't you understand? I'm hungry. When the child is hungry, don't wait till the child is crying. This is our Tirukural says, eat after digestion of food eaten previously, eat only food that is not allergic, and eat only when hungry. Pasittu pusi. Please do not feed the child when the child is not hungry. Even ourselves. So what are the hunger cues? Licking, lips, smacking, suckling sound, something like that, opening mouth, sticking tongue, sucking on anything. They will even suck the mother's finger or body, rooting, turning and opening, hand to mouth, put the hand to mouth, and skimming, breathing fast. agitated, fidgeting, positioning for nursing. They just go to the breast, fussing, frenetic, agitated. They become uneasy. So this is delayed cues are crying. When you say find out the child is full, stop, and when the child's turning the mouth, stop. What is in it? I tell them mother, but they don't listen to me. That's the important thing. They have a fixed idea. One day the child will eat, another day child will not eat. One day the child will eat vegetables, the other day child will not eat for another few days. The mother is very much dejected. So please, these are the normal things happening in the children. Just growth, monitor growth. You can practice when the breastfeeding as well as solids. Just based on hunger cues, you feed the child. That is the that is responsive feeding. Feed inward directly, assist older children. Feed slowly, patiently. Encourage the children to eat, but not force feed. By 6 months, all food should be given, including non-vegetarian, mutton, chicken, fish. Everything should be included. The guideline says, AAP guidelines, up to 1 month, 1 year, you are not supposed to give. Hello? Okay. So we are not supposed to give up to anything. After 6 months, give everything. That is the guideline. Up to 1 year, we are not supposed to give animal milk. But our Indian guideline says even 6 months to 1 year for mixing some solid food, you can use animal milk. So these are the techniques you can try it. Okay, different texture, different smell, everything you can try. Minimal distraction, that is the thing. Don't sit in front of it. Go to the dining room and eat. The child should remember they have come to a place where it's a family food. I don't advise anything, provided the family is eating a right food. I do not know how many families are eating the nutritious food. Develop healthy habits. There is self-feeding. Risk of overeat is very less. Learn self-feeding. Bonding improves. Is just
Hi, I'm Melissa, and this is my daughter Ivy, and we are demonstrating responsive feeding today.
doing all hunger cues.
Ivy is almost 7 months old, and she is eating mostly purees with some finger foods. Tonight she's having prunes and yogurt because she's been a little constipated. So you can see that she is ready to eat by the way that she's leaning forward and looking at the spoon and opening her mouth. She's giving me lots of cues.
She's hungry.
She's ready for water at mealtime. See, Ivy's been eating for about 50
minutes. He's full. He's full. He's there. Just stop there. Something may be left. Don't worry. So you try to have at least a meal together. Family eat together, stay together. So another concept is baby-led solids. Otherwise, internationally it is called baby-led feeding. This is nothing but from day one you don't feed. That is called parent-led weaning or parent-led solid. The child started eating on its own. Okay, this is popularized by Gil Rapley. She's a midwife. She started writing so many articles. It's very popular in UK and Australia. Okay. So fun, natural, allow babies to explore taste. They say the prime, this one is eating with your baby at the same time, at the same table, sharing the same food is the heart of baby led brain. So don't worry about the amount of food for the first few months. Let the child play. These are the difference between parent-led feeding. So the self-feeding from day one. Here the mother is giving spoon feeding or with hand by the caregivers. Solid food from day one, it is a pure food.
Actually less, not more likely with solid, non-pureed foods.
Observe.
Why? Because the process of learning to eat with solid foods involves chewing.
Okay.
Actually less, not more. When babies are given sufficient control over their eating, they usually learn to eat correctly and safely, although almost all babies will have a few gagging moments, whichever way they begin.
So message is never force feed the child based on hunger cues you give. If the child is not having hungry, don't worry about it. Don't give unhealthy food. I have seen children are giving only milk. They give chocolate, they give ice creams. Even after taking ice cream, they wanted to eat. And they give some children go on eating biscuits. So our duty is to prepare nutritious food. The child will decide what to eat. Thank you.